Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent bulk signing links from expiring in BoldSign. Bulk links are great for reusable signing, but default settings often lead to issues like recreating the same bulk link every few months when access problems occur. Manually monitoring and extending related document settings. The risk of individual signed documents expiring unexpectedly, and difficulty maintaining long-term embedded links on websites or intranets. These challenges create unnecessary maintenance, disrupt ongoing processes, and force repeated setup for recurring forms. BoldSign lets you disable expiry in document settings for truly permanent access, with permanent bulk links, no recreating links every few months, no monitoring or manual extensions, no unexpected access blocks. With permanent bulk links in BoldSign, the bulk link URL stays active forever, and every document instance created from it never expires. This makes them perfect for embedded forms and recurring surveys, and you can edit the settings anytime without ever changing the URL. Consider a scenario where an HR manager needs to embed a non-expiring bulk link on the training site, so employees can submit survey responses after every session. Let me show you how to create a permanent bulk link. To create a permanent bulk link, start by accessing the BoldSign application page. From the dashboard, click Create New and select Create New Bulk Link. This action will redirect you to the Prepare Bulk Link page. On this page, enter the bulk link title, welcome message, and acknowledgement message in their respective fields. Next, upload the document that requires a signature. And assign the recipient role. Once done, scroll down to bulk link settings where you'll find the expiration date toggle. By default, this toggle is turned on and set to 60 days. These 60 days represent the default expiration period, defined in the business profile settings, meaning the link will automatically expire after 60 days. In our scenario, the HR manager needs the link to remain active indefinitely on the training website. To achieve this, simply turn the Expires In toggle off. Once disabled, the bulk link will never expire. BoldSign also allows bulk link creators to set expiration dates for individual documents within a bulk link. This determines how long a document remains active after the signing process has been initiated but not yet completed. After the specified period, the document will expire. To configure this, navigate to Document Settings, where you'll find another Expires In toggle for the document. By default, this option is off, meaning that once a signer initiates the signing process, the document remains accessible until the bulk link expires or becomes inactive. In this case, I want the document to remain accessible for 60 days, after the signer starts the signing process. To do this, enable the Expires In option and set the expiration period to 60 days. Now, the bulk link will never expire, but any document that is in progress, meaning the signer has started but not completed the signing process, will remain active for 60 days before expiring. Check the remaining sections and click Next to move to the Configure step. Add the required form fields. Review the document, and then click Create Bulk Link. That's it. Your bulk link is now permanent. You can copy the embed code and place it on your training site. Employees can use the same link after every training session forever, with no maintenance required. You can also copy the URL and share it with your signers. Already shared a link but need to change its expiration? No problem. Edits apply instantly without changing the URL. To edit, navigate to the dashboard page. Go to bulk link and choose my bulk link. Locate the bulk link you want to make permanently accessible and click it to open its overview page. In the Expires column, select Edit. In the editing view, turn off expiration and save. The bulk link's expiration date is now updated to nil, meaning it will not expire. This is how you make your bulk links permanently active in BoldSign. Don't let expired links disrupt your bulk signing campaigns. With BoldSign's bulk signing links always active, you'll ensure uninterrupted access for signers, boost engagement, achieve higher completion rates, and reduce the need for follow-ups. Ready to take control? Head to your dashboard, create or edit a bulk link, and disable its expiry today. If you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorial videos.